Hey guys, it's me, Foxy Jason here, and this is my cat Cruz just licking himself and taking a bath. It's so cute and amazing, and I'll give you a close-up. And then, right there, and I got these for my birthday. All of these are the Dinobots from um I forgot the movie. About that, yeah. And that's Grimlock right there is Grimlock. But the whole video is based on my cat licking himself and taking a bath. And then it was almost my mom's birthday. My mom's birthday was just like, how many days ago was it? 2 weeks ago. So we still have her balloons. And that's my pet hamster in there. And this is what it's like in my grandparents' house. Yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe and ring that little bell. And bye.